everybody. I'm here today to talk about the 1645 and 1645BLKST, the Kershaw Lateral. So there are two versions of this knife. They both feature 8CR13 MOV blades. The 1645 features a stone-washed finish with a plain edge, and the 1645BLKST features a black oxide finish with a partially serrated edge. They both feature glass-filled nylon handles with a nice G10 texture. They're comfortable to hold, and even for a larger hand, you can fit all 4 fingers on. Both knives open with a flipper, and they're both assisted, so they open with a nice snap. Both of these knives also feature a stainless steel locking liner, which keeps the blades securely open. The pocket clip is what I consider a deep carry, and it's an extra deep carry in my opinion. So it sits in your pocket, fits nice and deep, and you don't even notice it until you need it later. Both of these knives are also Kershaw original designs. So if you're looking for a comfortable, lightweight, new EDC, look no further than the Kershaw Lateral.